That's a 1988 Cadillac Coupe de Ville with 33,000 miles. Last plated in 2003, I believe. Wait till you guys see the interior of this car.
Oh, the white. Dude, that's beautiful. Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Dude, this is so 80s.
Brett, get in there. Go ahead. Show everyone.
This interior is beautiful.
It's a time capsule.
Those are couches.
The leather is still super soft. The foam isn't hardened.
The detail here is beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna pump the tires up, drag the car out, and get it back to the shop to detail it, but leave a comment on this video. What do you think this car is worth once it's all cleaned up? Also, if you want to see any of our full videos, they're live on our YouTube channel.